So hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute decoration made of Anubias nana and marine balls. So I'm going to attach them to the pieces of rocks. I'm gonna start with the moss ball. So I soak them ahead of time to get rid of the excess of dirt. I'm gonna squeeze the excess of water. Also dry them with a paper towel to make sure they pretty dry. I'm going to open them up. Take little parts of it. And for example, I'm gonna use this rock. So I'm going to use flourish glue. It's good for plants and it's safe for the fish. So I'm going to apply the layer on the rock, spread it. And in that place, I'm gonna place the part of the moss ball and press it so it sticks in nicely to the rock. There we go. And I'm gonna take the other piece and put the layer of the glue on the rock. And put the moss ball over it and press it really hard. So that's what we got at this moment. I'm going to attach little piece of Anubias. Make sure it's nice and dry too. And that's what we got for now. Then I'm gonna work on the other piece of rock. And put little pieces of Anubias in between the rocks, depends how we want to position them. Make sure it's important it's not too wet. So, and that's all we got. Little simple design made of Anubias and moss balls.